Yes, Mr. Sergeant Mkhani, sorry, you're still on that.
Sergeant Mkhani,
Mnisi, are you through with this? You never cross-examined him?
No, I haven't started.
The witness confirms
you never did. You said you don't have questions, you remember? And then he was superseded by Dupree. Then you had cross-examining. I'm not saying you can't cross-examine him now. You can do so if you want.
I was just about to begin, my lord, when the state requested the intelligence to lead the
I see. Okay, fine.
Dupree. Yes.
You're right, no problem.
My lord, but then there is subsequent to the discussion that we had with regard to what the status of that report should actually be. It had just come to my mind, my lord, that most probably, having had possession or seen the report of Mr. Dupree that is going to be presented, there is that likelihood that there would be issues that I would love to take up with this witness on the basis of that report that is going to be prepared.
Yeah, fair. I hear you.
So I'm not even so sure, my lord, whether it will be fair for this witness for me to start to cross-examine him without having had sight of that report and decide whether or not there are issues that I would love to take him up on the basis of that report.
But this is after Dupree has presented the report.
Yes.
Yeah, let's have that clear. Not that you see the report first.
Yeah, I'm not changing what we agreed upon. Yes, madam. So what I'm saying is...
no, fine, I take that point.
Yes. So what I'm saying is I'm not even so sure whether it is in the interest of justice that I should start my cross-examination with this witness when there's a likelihood that the content of that report would necessitate me cross-examining this witness
on
that report.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yes.
Okay.
So I'm not so sure where does that then leave us, my lord. If the state
we can adjourn the evidence of this witness also.
Yes, my lord.
Because it makes sense. He was the person who activated the AVLL system by driving the vehicle. Fine. Ms. Mshololo?
As it please the court, my lord. Thank you.
My lord, it is the same position with myself, my lord, that I would like to do the cross-examination after.
Okay.
Mr. Dupree.
Okay, Mr. Ngamaro?
My lord, I submit that it is more convenient that we lead the evidence of Mr. Dupree, and then from there we see the way forward. Thank you.
Okay. Mr. Mgomezulu?
Same sentiment, my lord.
Right, the state?
Well, that's in order with us.
All right. You understand English, Sergeant? Even when he was trying to speak freely with Mr. Mgomezulu yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah, I agree with the sentiments that it is proper for Mr. Dupree to present the report. You have already testified about the exigency of driving the vehicle, its stopping where, the idling, etc., etc., etc. There could possibly be questions arising from the report which are not irreconcilable with your evidence. And the defense has got a right to clear that up with you, okay? So we need to adjourn your evidence. I don't know until when.
Le sa go bolang ke re gore maobane ba ile ba emisha ka pele ga gore ba le botšhe dipotšišo wa bitswa setsibi se leng gore se tlile sa tlhatlholla raporoti e jwatše setsibi sengwe ga se tšwe se fetše go na le dilo tše mmalwa tše e leng gore ba santše ba nyaka gore setsibi seuwe se tle se ba tlhalošetše ka sone ka moraga mouwe ba re ke gona motlhomong ba ka tlang ba tswela pele ba tlo ba le botšiše dipotšišo ka lebaka la gore go na le dilo tše dingwe tše e leng gore setsibi sela se ka tla sa di tlhatlholla se e leng gore dilo tša gona di be di le mo go yona report ya AVL tše e leng gore di nyaka gore motlhomong ba tle ba botšiše ka tšona ba tle ba kgone gore lena ba kgonthišiše dilo tše dingwe tše di rileng ka yona report ye e leng gore e tla be setsibi sela e se hlakišitše gabotse le ya kwešiša bjale botlhatsi ba lena go ra gore bo sa tlo emišwa kgoro e re ga e tsebe gore go fitlhelela neng. I will be waiting, my lord.
Okay, thanks.
Mr. Mnisi bekuyena bekufanele ukuthi aqaleke abuze uSergeant Mkhani imibuzo kodwa-ke ngenxa yokuthi-ke kunalokho okwenzekile-ke izolo nkathi Mr. Dupree ekhona-ke elayinikeza ngobufakazi base beyahlanganyela-ke umshushisi kanye nabameli ukuthi-ke cha bayaqela-ke ukuthi loyo mbiko Mr. Dupree awenze kabusha manje kuthi Mr. Mnisi-ke akaboni ukuthi-ke noba kuzoba kwenziwa-ke ubulungiswa uma engaqhubeka-ke ngalofakazi kungekafiki-ke loya mbiko loyana-ke kaDupree ngoba-ke yena-ke uSergeant Mugane naye-ke uyena umuntu owayeshayela le moto uDupree azokwenza ngayo umbiko omusha kunalo ebewulethe enkantolo ngaleso sizathu-ke bayacela bayavumelana bonke-ke abameli kanye nomshushisi kanye nomehluleli uyavuma-ke naye ukuthi-ke ufakazi lona-ke akamiswe asazi-ke ukuthi uzolinda kuze kube nini-ke.
Okay, so what do we do?
As a court, please, my lord, we did intimate at the previous occasion that the next witness that the state will be calling is Sergeant Mokhula.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, she's writing an exam, my lord. My learned friends have got no objection if we stand the matter down until Monday to continue to commence with her evidence.
Okay. Is she alleged to have been amongst the persons who assaulted accused number 2?
No.
Or present?
No. She in fact, she wasn't.
She came with Ginanda.
Yeah. Well.
When Ginanda was sitting on the.
There's the name that was mentioned, but obviously.
Yeah, fine.
Her evidence will be different.
Yeah. Oh, okay, fine. Okay, so we postpone until Monday.
Yes.
Sorry to the reporters. You have an early day.
Jwale ka ga re tlhalositse le na botlhatse ba lena botla ema sepedi se re moleta ngwedi ke moleta le swisu ga re tsele gore ba tlilo le bijaneng re ya leboga outi ya letla kwa go yena ramolao paloi.
Yeah, because of those unforeseen circumstances, then we adjourn until Monday morning. Okay, thank you.